What's up, guys? Mark here from VIP Shop Management. I have some great news. To start by saying that with the new update, VIP Shop Management will number one will open in any resolution. It's not limited anymore like before. Let's go right here. All of these, it doesn't matter from the minimum to all the way to 4K, 5K, it doesn't matter. This has been taken care of. Another thing is, so right now we're not releasing the update. If you do want to update and test it out, you can just go click on File right here and Enforce Update. When you click on that, it'll close the app and brings you right here. Just download it from here. So it'll be released probably in a couple days. We're just doing the final touches to make sure that it's working perfect. Let's look at, so what the whole idea is. Number one obviously is ability to open in any resolution. Number two, ability to move the app from two different screens with different resolution, and that was something that I had a problem with prior to that. Now what it does, it resets and adjusts to the resolution of the different screens. So I've seen that a lot where some users have 4K screen and have a 1080 screen, or vice versa, and they're struggling with this. So you're gonna see some new controls with the scroll bar right here, the new scroll bar that we continue to perfect every day. It's basically influence from iPhone. The idea is why it's taking so much space, and it looks ugly. It makes the app looks like it's not modern. So if you like the old scroll bar and you want to use it, no problem. You just go to settings right here and device settings, and you can use the classic scroll bar right here. So if you do that, it brings the old scroll bar, and this is what I'm talking about, the giant. And this gets bigger. Obviously it depends on the resolution, so that's why I've always hated it. It's taking space. I don't like it. I never come in here and do it this way. I always scroll with the wheel or with the finger on the touch screen. But if you want the legacy and you're used to the legacy, just come in here and change it to the legacy. Let's keep going. What else? You're gonna see some new controls right here. If you go to select, so this is completely custom designed to basically it's beautiful. I love it. Like obviously in this one it doesn't allow you to go because it doesn't allow to set the date before, but that's how it looks like. You can always go to today's date and set the date. So there's another controls right here. Those are all new controls right here. All custom design controls right here. All this new controls just to make it more modern, and we can build on that. So this is not just to make it look cool. We can build moving forward on that. There's one thing I always talk about that in the dashboard right here. Like a lot of people tell me, Mark, we don't have enough data in the dashboard. They want like KPI, a lot of stuff. It's on my mind. I promise you, I'm gonna have one page. You can scroll as much as you want. It's gonna have all the details, but I will not put it here. Most likely, what I will do is I do an analysis right here. It's gonna be completely redesigned probably. And it's going to be full of KPI, full of type of analysis to give you an idea. It's not. I always like analysis that makes sense, right? Analysis that pushes you to make money, and not just give me some numbers that doesn't make any sense. If you look at my analysis right here, in the dashboard right here, it says you have $73,000 in estimates. Your job is to move. You could never move all of them to here, but your job is to move some of them, or push to move as much as possible from estimates to invoices, and you're still not done. After that, I should put an arrow from here to here, and then from here to here, because you still got to collect the money. Just because you sold the job, and the money is not in the bank, you haven't sold. You literally. Actually, if you don't get the money, you lost right here. So you got to keep that in mind. Man, so many shops till today, they don't know where their money going. And I love VIP Shop Management for this reason, that it gives you full control of your money. They rely on an accountant. They don't know what's going on. and they're making some of them making like almost $1 million. They don't know where the money going. You got to know where your money going, and that's the best way with VIP Shop Management. It tells you everything, how much I'm making here, what's going on here, and how many new customers and all that. But I promise I'll give you a full detailed web page like this. It looks beautiful and all that. What else is going on? So another thing is you're gonna see with the new VIP Shop, you're gonna see a menu right now. No more click on hold. Just click on the three dots to edit any customer's information. Same with the vehicle right here. Click on that and it'll let you do that. The upcoming update will have it right here, three dots right here too. So today I think at the end of this day we'll have a three dots, because you used to click on hold to change the status. We're gonna put a menu right here, and then we'll build on that menu. So let me summarize this. So VIP Shop Management as of right now will open in any screen, any resolution, multiple screens. It doesn't matter. What about the web application? Yes, it's being built. Probably I've already seen. I'm not building that one. There are almost 7 people actually building the second one, the VIP Shop Management web application. The only reason I'm building the second one, the ability to open on Mac computers and Android. So obviously it's a different world, different design. But I promise you will have my touches, because in the end, like they're building it right now, but then I'll come in and step in and put in the touches. And I saw some amazing stuff from the team yesterday, and I was excited about that. You see, the problem is for the past years I've been fighting to reunite with my daughter, and I haven't been successful. My competitors basically took advantage of the situation. I'm not saying intentionally, but that's what business is. And now I'm coming back to make sure that we can compete with the web application and with this one with the competitors that overcharging you. And literally most of them don't know anything about the business. I'm gonna be honest. Whether TechMetric or ShopMonkey, they have no idea about the business. All they care about accounting and care about expanding. I care about the business, because I used to be a mechanic for 15 years and shop owner for 7 years. I lived through the steps, and I know what it feels like to be a mechanic and what it feels like to be a shop owner. Anyway, until next time, thanks for watching.